Hi there, I'm Peter Vox, Director and Principal Teacher at Vox Singing Academy here in beautiful Melbourne, Australia. And in this video, I'm going to be explaining all of the pricing for all of our lessons at Vox Singing Academy. Let's first start with private one-on-one singing lessons, whether they be online or in studio. Our singing lessons start at $35 per class. Then we have a price point that goes up to $40, $45, and my lessons are $60 per half an hour private singing lesson. These are generally held once per week. The difference in the price points for the singing lessons depend on the teacher's level of expertise, knowledge, and experience. I also do offer premium $75 singing lessons. This will give you access to all of my scales, premium pitch and ear training, guaranteeing you professional pitch. Also, you'll have contact with myself via email or text, and I'll guarantee to get back to you within 24 hours. You will have unlimited industry advice, information, and access to all of my contacts. I will also give you premium vocal coaching designed to keep you accountable. I'll give you life coaching, premium songwriting, instruction and tuition, premium stage presentation, touring and performing advice, also professional crowd interaction and how to engage with your audience, and also health advice regarding cold and flu management and taking care of your body. We also run group classes. These group classes are the same price as the private one-on-one singing lessons. They run for 1 hour, though you will be in a group with 4 to 8 other students. We only run group classes for under 12s. You can request a group class for adults. We also do run intensive vocal workshops. Again, these are booked on requests, and these run between 4 to 8 hours. All the prices for the intensive workshops are on the website, plus all the bios for the teachers. So please have a look at the links below, and if we could help you out with your singing tuition, we would really, really love to do that. Thank you.